Alright everyone, we are here at Peachy Kleen Car Wash in Perry, Utah, and as you can see we got some bird poop. So we're gonna walk through them and then go through them. So it seems that they've got an express tunnel and a touch-free wash. So
I'm a touch-free.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I will see you guys in just a second to go through it. Oh, it's an Oasis XP. Nice. Okay.
You could walk through the tunnel. Do you
Yeah.
want to?
Yeah. I'll see you guys in just a second. Now to walk through the touch-free. Here's the pay station. Here is the wash options. There's your RFID. Your outdoor signage, instructions, then there's some more instructions right there, just kind of how to use it. Here's the bay, you can see airlift right there. Here's the machine. I hear that this breaks down a lot more often than the tunnel, which is quite interesting, but here's the undercarriage wash. Here's the machine itself. Here, hang on, let me get a good view of that. There you go. Here's the ultrasonic sensors. If you put your finger up to them, you can actually feel it like bumping into it. There's the stop sensor. Closer look at it. Here's the arm. Other side. There's the E-chain right there. Your dryers. And your indoor sign. I think something just stung me. I got a sting in the back of my leg. And then there's your dry timer right there. Ow! What is happening? Okay. Now let's go walk through the tunnel. Okay, now let's walk through the tunnel. Here is your wash thing. Here are the instructions. There's a control panel. Here's the conveyor. Little plate right there. Here's the pre-soak arch and ceramic arch. Here's the wheel boss. Brushes, or the first set of brushes. Top brush. Rocker brushes. This is just a rinse, I believe. Got some, I think that's a wax arch. High pressure rinse. Some more rinses, I think this is the drying agent. Spot free. And dryers. So yeah, that is the walk through the tunnel. Let's go through it now. Oh yeah, and then the underbody. So now, legitimately, let's go through it.
Thank you. Please go forward.
Okay, and now we're coming in.
So we decided to do the tunnel after all.
Yeah.
It is a cool tunnel.
Yeah. Could you tell her not to spray off the car? I want to see how this thing actually does for real.
Well, she's actually wanting the car to be clean. And that's part of the deal, like the plan. Hi!
Well, welcome to Peachy Kleen. There's your dash light. Yeah. You haven't been here before, right?
No.
Alrighty, well, I'm just gonna do a pre-wash, get all your bikes and dirt.
In fact, actually, I was about to tell you, don't spray it off because I want to see how the tunnel actually does, like fully.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Well,
saved you a minute.
alrighty, yes, it does. Alright, so just neutral with your hands off the wheel and your foot off the brake.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, neutral, foot off the brake, hands off the wheel. Okay.
Getting the Peachy Kleen.
Yay. This is the fun part. We get to watch the brushes.
This is a slow conveyor. I like
Well,
it.
it's supposed to, yeah. Well, I've heard if it's slower, it cleans better. That's what I've heard.
There's the first brush.
Nice.
Ooh.
I like this. This is fun.
Wish that this car had a sunroof.
I know, I'm sorry.
That was a afterthought for this car. This thing is kind of hard to film because there's so many things happening at once.
I know, it's awesome. Very entertaining watch.
Yes.
I love the yellow lights.
Just getting some kind of application here. High pressure rinse. Also, I hear that these conveyor style washes are more reliable than the in-bay washes.
Oh, cool. I also heard they take less chemical.
No, don't drive yet. A roller's gonna come for the back.
Oh, okay.
Sometime. Oh, yeah, there you go.
That was awesome. Just in case you didn't already know, I give that a 10 out of 10.
Yes.
Even a 12 out of 10.
That was awesome.
Yes.
They even have vacuums and a mat washer.
Yes, totally awesome.
So, yeah, that is Peachy Clean Car Wash. Awesome,
spot, yeah.
awesome
This
place.
is in Perry, Utah.
Yes, Perry, Utah. Come check it out.
Yes.
Totally awesome. So, yeah, that is that. Thank you guys for watching and happy washing.